Grow back eyelashes, just for the beauty. If you want long, thick, beautiful eyelashes that accentuate your eyes but need to grow back eyelashes to get the look you want, you may have had the remedy right under your nose all along. Believe it or not, petroleum jelly will help you grow back eyelashes quickly and easily without spending beaucoup bucks on serums that may not work for you at all. Do not get me wrong, there is nothing wrong with trying the serums to see if they do work. Lash growth is lash growth, but all I ask is you try this first. Here is what you do: clean the area around your eye thoroughly, but be gentle about it, and dab it dry. Do not rub too hard or wipe too hard, or you will defeat the purpose of this treatment. You will end up pulling out more eyelashes than you think. Now that the area around your eyes is clean and dry, all you have to do is dab a little petroleum jelly on your forefinger. Remember, a little goes a long way. Rub your forefinger and thumb together so you are only working with a thin coating of petroleum jelly and not a big glob of it. Close one eye, do not close both eyes because then you will not be able to see what you are doing. Anyway, close one eye and from root end to tip end coat your lashes with the petroleum jelly. Replenish the supply of petroleum jelly on your forefinger and thumb as you need it until each lash is coated. Do this at night so it will not interfere with your normal morning routine. Again, be very careful to lightly coat your lashes and not to pull on them too tightly. Repeat with the other eye and then go to bed. The petroleum jelly will condition your eyelashes overnight, which will make them stronger and less likely to fall out prematurely. Full results may take up to 2 weeks. When you wake up in the morning, gently remove the petroleum jelly and allow the eye areas to dry completely before applying any makeup. The petroleum jelly will not let your mascara adhere to your eyelashes. Either use a mild cleanser or makeup remover to remove the petroleum jelly from your eyelashes. Continue using the petroleum jelly every night at bedtime until you get the eyelashes you have always wanted. All on their own, eyelashes take anywhere from 8 to 12 weeks to grow to an acceptable length, and some of the serums you can use encourage thicker, longer eyelashes in just about that length of time also. Petroleum jelly may not work any faster, but with the conditioning of the eyelashes it may seem like it does. Your eyelashes may be thicker the very next morning you try this. The best part is you do not have to tell anyone about your secret, and you don't have to spend a lot of money to grow back eyelashes. I upload useful videos about everything useful. Subscribe and not to miss new videos, thanks.